Welcome back to the channel. Today's encounter is one you'll want to watch to the very end. We're in Gloucester at Barton Street Police Station, a spot that looks abandoned from the outside but becomes surprisingly active the second a camera appears. This interaction takes a sudden turn from curious questioning, to pocket search requests, to bird surveys and drones on police property. And yes, this one gets weird. Very weird. So buckle in, because this visit escalates in the most unpredictable way.
We've got police property there. No unauthorised access, so we won't go down there. We've got an entrance here though, haven't we? That we can have a look at. See where this leads us to. Yeah, we've got a small car park in the front, and we have got CCTV above us, and we've got what's left of an old flag on the pole.
And just like that, the moment the camera is spotted, the first officer steps out, setting the tone for the whole encounter. Notice how quickly the conversation jumps from, "Can I help you?" into suspicion mode. This is a perfect example of how filming outside a police station triggers heightened alertness. Also pay attention to how the officer's questions stack rapidly. Location, purpose, recording, badge inquiries, all within seconds. This early tension is crucial because it shapes how both sides react in the moments that follow. Ask yourself, is this simple curiosity or the beginning of overreach?
Yeah, there must be people working here.
Can I help you at all?
Sorry?
Can I help you at all?
No.
Do you work here?
Where?
Yeah.
Where?
Here.
No.
Can I ask why you're recording?
What recording?
I've just seen you take a camera out and start recording.
Where?
Just then.
What, round? I think...
Here comes one of the most legally important moments in the video. The officer casually asks him to empty your pockets, as if it's a routine request, but under UK law, police cannot demand a search without reasonable suspicion. This falls under Section 1 of PACE, which requires specific grounds: stolen goods, prohibited items, or evidence linked to a crime. Filming alone is not a crime. The vagueness of the officer's concern shows how easily these lines blur in real-time interactions. Viewers, if you were in this situation, would you comply or challenge it? Interview. This is where the conversation shifts into a slow, probing dialogue. The officer tries multiple angles: appointment, ID, reason for being there, but receives the same simple answer every time: just looking. What's interesting is how polite yet persistent the officer remains. He's not escalating, but he's clearly searching for a justification to continue questioning. These kinds of interactions often ride a thin line between safeguarding a location and stretching police authority. And you'll notice the officer keeps circling back to ID, a very common pressure tactic used when no lawful grounds exist.
No, you didn't.
Are you sure?
What?
That you didn't start recording? You able to turn out your pockets?
Why?
I'm just only asking. You're saying you're not recording, and I don't see...
No, I got a zoom camera.
Oh, so a camera?
Yeah.
So were you taking pictures of cars?
Well, I've just arrived, so I've not got round to doing anything yet.
Can I ask why you're here?
Just have a look.
Just have a look?
Yeah.
This section might be one of the most unintentionally comedic audit moments ever. The officer, still unsure about this entire situation, suddenly becomes a tour guide, pointing out lights, equipment, and even discussing cold medicine left in the vehicle. It's a strange blend of suspicion and forced friendliness. What stands out is how the officer shifts strategies, Instead of shutting the interaction down, he opens up the vehicle for inspection, likely hoping transparency will calm things. But ironically, it has the opposite effect. It encourages the auditor to explore even more.
Making sure that everything's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So have you got like an exact reason why you're here?
Well, just looking around.
Any particular reason why?
Well, just looking.
Just looking?
Yeah.
Is it like an interest of yours?
No, just looking.
What?
There's no problem, is it?
No, I'm just only asking why you're recording. That's all. I say I don't really see people come into police property often and just start recording.
Yeah.
Recording cars.
I'm just looking up at, just having a look, sort of look down there, see what's. I came down here, and then it led me into here. So I was doing a little,
Do you do this often?
No. Just do a little video, and it led me into here, and I thought, oh, what's that?
Okay, so this is Barton Street Police Station.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there? Do you want me to show you around?
Yeah.
I won't take you inside, but
Yeah.
just I won't take you around the back because that's where all the personal vehicles are, and there's no real need to go back there. But obviously at the front we've got all our cars here.
Yeah.
If that interests you.
Yeah.
Have you got any questions for myself?
No. There's a police car around there, is there as well?
Well, there should be one or two.
Oh.
However, the majority of the personal ones, and obviously they don't need to be recorded.
No. I've got my zoom camera here.
Yeah, no, I saw that was the one I saw.
Yeah.
Have you got like any ID on you?
Yeah.
I just asked your name and you didn't. I didn't.
Oh right. What ID?
Like a driver license or anything, just so I can check your name.
I'm on my bike.
No, I know, but you might drive and you might carry around a license.
No, I don't carry it.
No, you don't.
No.
Can I get your name or?
No.
No. No, that's fine. That's fine. So you're just there. You're just curious.
Just having a look.
Just having a look.
It's a public building, isn't it? So,
No. I said there's a car box free. I was a bit alarmed when you're recording the personal vehicles. That's all.
Oh no.
We've got the normal ones at the front, and they're okay to look at.
Oh right.
But yeah, just random.
Well, I'll have a look around these vehicles and have a look through the windows.
Why would you do that?
Well, just see what's in them.
Do you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll show you. Right. If that makes it easier.
Yeah.
We'll go for smart car here.
Okay.
Now the video takes a drastic left turn into peak absurdity. The famous bird survey plot twist. What starts as a routine police encounter becomes a full debate about pelicans, drones, rooftops, and bird tracking apps. The officer is visibly torn between staying professional and trying to understand whether this man is completely serious or brilliantly trolling him. But here's the key. Despite the bizarre topic, the auditor remains legally within his rights the entire time. No law is being broken. No threat is present. And yet the officer's discomfort grows with every mention of a drone on police property.
The reason why?
I was going to do a survey.
Survey?
On the roof.
Right, and okay. Have you been hired today to look at the roof?
No, but
no. Then there's no real reason to look at the roof, is there?
But I was going to get a drone.
A drone?
Yeah, and have a look.
Have you got a drone on you?
No, but I can get one.
Right. Okay.
I'm only 10 minutes away, and I can get my drone. And I was going to do a survey for the birds on the roof.
On the police bird, I don't think that's necessary, do you?
Well, I've got my birds, I watch the birds, and it tells me what to watch.
Well, the drone that you don't have tells you what birds to watch?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Shall I show you?
I see.
Shall I show you my bird on my back?
No, honestly, it's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you can if you want.
Yeah, I'll do my drone footage.
But you don't have a drone?
I will. I'm only local.
Is that your glasses? Is that a camera in the middle of them?
What camera?
A camera in your glasses?
No, I've got a camera on here.
I've got
but I don't need to always put this on.
Okay.
What?
Do you have like a YouTube channel or anything like that? Do you
What?
like a YouTube channel? Because I see some people like they call it auditors. And they go around and they just record things.
With a drone?
It can be with anything.
No.
Is there any reason to why you wear the camera on your chest?
Well, like I said, I was videoing the area, and it led me into here.
Into here. Okay.
And I thought, that's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's what I thought, and then I came down through here, and then you shouted, or you called me.
Yeah, I called you. I'd say just round the front is probably the best place to.
Yeah.
I think after this conversation, there's not really much more to have a look at, so I'd probably head off and record elsewhere.
Well, I was going to do my drone footage.
Unfortunately, I don't think that's very wise.
Why not?
Well, you're recording on top of a police building on the roof.
Yeah, but I've got my... Look, I'll explain it all. Let me get this out and I'll show you. You're confused.
So you what, every day today you just go around just recording?
Look.
So you got your birds.
There's my bird. So there's birds, because of trees and the time of the year.
Okay. And
there's a bird survey.
And out of all the buildings to stand on top of, you choose a police one?
No. You've got to put in context. I was coming down here and I looked on the roof. I thought, the birds are going to be there. You know? Have you seen any of them?
I can't say I have recently, no.
No, well, there's a brown pelican that I think's on there.
Oh, what, and you want to climb on a police roof to look at a pelican?
Well, I wasn't going to climb, was I? I was going to get my drone.
You haven't got a drone?
Did I say I didn't have a drone? Yeah.
At this point, the interaction becomes almost surreal. The officer is desperately trying to redirect him away from the station, suggesting parks, gardens, anywhere but the police building. This is a textbook example of polite disengagement, where officers try to end an encounter without confrontation. But the auditor's persistence, backed by bizarre bird logic, keeps the conversation going. Legally, the officer can't force him to leave unless he's causing harassment, alarm, or trespassing in a restricted area, and neither applies here. The frustration is subtle, but you can feel it building.
Back, and then maybe take it out there.
Okay.
On my drone.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'm allowed to use my drone.
Well, the way you were talking, the way you were describing to me, that you actually go up on the roof.
I mean, I would prefer if you have a ladder.
I'm not going to let you climb a ladder onto a police building.
I mean, if there's anything like not right on the roof where you're guttering, because it's quite an old building, isn't it?
Yeah, you could say so.
You know, so if there's anything.
However, if there was something wrong with the guttering, we call in a contractor, and they'd sort it out.
But I know someone.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Do it. So if I see anything,
well, no, I'm not. That's I don't think it's wise to let you go up onto the roof of a police building to look at a pelican.
Okay.
Well, I know you know someone, but however, we can't.
But I know my birds as well. See?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. However, I think you could know your birds elsewhere. There's loads of other places. So there's Gloucester Park. That direction.
Oh yeah.
That's a big area. Potentially there's a lot of wildlife there. There's also a park down that way called Island Gardens.
Oh right, yeah.
So if you want, I can direct you to there, and then I'm
sure take me there?
I'm not going to take you there. You've got your bike, don't you?
Yeah. You not got a police bike here?
A police bike? No, we don't have a police bike. No. I mean, you've got your own, so there's no need.
Yeah, but I just thought if you've got a bike, we can go and you can take me to this park.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna do my drone footage, and I'm gonna look because I think there is a pelican up there, and I think there may be others up there because I can tell with the trees. You've got see all these trees that you have. Now, if you look on the road, there are no trees.
Yeah, there's about.
So all the trees.
So what? You can see birds in these trees.
There's 5 trees you have here, isn't there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 trees.
All with no birds on them.
No, look.
Yeah, it's just birds fly.
Yeah, but because you've got 5 trees specifically in your compound, in your yard.
Yeah.
So that makes it interesting, doesn't it?
Okay.
Can you understand now why I'm here? Because where's the other trees around here? There's no trees.
Like I said, if you just go down that road, there's Island Gardens, to which there's a lot of greenery.
Yeah.
And I think that would be a much better opportunity than a police building with 5 bare trees with no leaves on.
Yeah, but that's where the birds come down into the tree, and guess what? Can you hear them?
Yeah,
look,
there's some seagulls.
And that wraps up one of the strangest police auditor encounters we've seen at a UK station. Legally speaking, the auditor remained within his rights the entire time, recording in public, refusing to give ID, and declining a pocket search, all lawful choices without reasonable suspicion. The officer, although persistent, avoided escalating and instead shifted into polite redirection to end the encounter peacefully. This video highlights how easily a simple filming session can spiral into confusion when officers aren't fully certain of the limits of their authority. If you found this case as surprising and entertaining as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping police audits and courtroom breakdowns.